Hello everyone, today I will tell you why you should learn Adobe Photoshop before starting YouTube channel, before starting any online business, and how to learn it in 3 days. So if you are interested in this video, like and write the comments and subscribe to my channel. Ahead of a lot of interesting things, so stay with me and let's go. So I admit honestly, I can say the Photoshop is the father of all programs, and superficial I tell you in what areas Adobe Photoshop is used. And the first, most of printing houses, most of printing companies use Adobe Photoshop for creating booklets, banners, envelope signs and postcards. The second, most of photographers use Adobe Photoshop for creating collages in order to retouch the photo and then edit these photos by color, by adjustment layer and so on. The third, most of web designers use Adobe Photoshop. Many site layouts created by Adobe Photoshop. Also there are many competitors like Figma or Sketch, but Adobe PS doesn't give its position. Also without Adobe PS, now we're in internet marketing. In most of advertisement creating process, use it Adobe Photoshop for creating banners, creatives, for creating animation. And now the most important thing is that all YouTubers use Adobe PS. Okay. If you want to create a preview, avatar, if you want to create cover for your channel, if you want to create icon or a good image for your videos, all these problems is solved by Adobe PS. Of course, you can order all this work on freelance or you can ask your friends, but it may be that the situation will not allow you do this action. And if you want to make it yourself, you can spend learning Adobe PS in 3 days and literally create it for yourself, what you need in an hour, literally in an hour. By the way, in addition to all of this, learning Adobe PS build the foundation for other programs. If you ask how, I will tell you some aspects. Firstly, you will learn how to work with layers. All of programs work with layers. DaVinci Resolve, Adobe Premiere Pro, Adobe Illustrator, any programs work with layers. And the next aspect, you will learn the theory of color. What is RGB, what is HSL, what is web color, and so on. Also, you will learn how to choose appropriate fonts for your project, for your any work. And and another thing, you will learn how to edit photo. What is adjustment layer, what is hue and saturation, what is contrast, gradient, and so on. So guys, if you are wondering how to study this program in the shortest way, in the shortest time, I definitely will tell you, you will learn this program in 3 days. It is the basic tools, and I will show you the easiest program and easiest way to learn Adobe PS. First, download and install this program on your computer. Then YouTube is full of video how to learn Adobe Photoshop in an hour. Yes, watch this video and get acquainted with the basic tool of this program, that is of Adobe Photoshop. After getting acquainted with the basic tools of this program, you can search on Google or YouTube the tutorial with the specific tasks. Yes, firstly I advise you watch the tutorial with the creating text effects. Also you can learn retouching photos and creating animation. By the way, what is keyframes you can learn in this program, that is in Adobe Photoshop. So guys, I hope you understand why you need to learn this amazing program. And if this video was interesting for you, do not regret your like and comments, subscribe to my channel and stay with me. I had told a lot of interesting things, so goodbye.